Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are having a very red Sunday. I did not expect this, and I don't think that anyone expected this huge dump. As I could see on other channels, everybody's posting about the surprise, more or less, or somebody's playing that they knew. Doesn't matter. Let's see what happened and how we can recover from this in time frames. Stay with me. Okay, so Bitcoin has had a huge dump. I mean, it didn't have this huge dump for some time. This was a $10,000 dump, and we felt it in all the altcoins, everywhere. I woke up at 6:30 today on Sunday. I don't remember when I woke up at 6:30 on Sunday last time, but I can say that nothing wakes you up better than a 30% loss on your portfolio. However, I wasn't sure what happened here, if this rising wedge really had this huge effect, and it turned out it didn't. Yes, it broke out to the lower level. We didn't expect it because we are in a bull market, and the price and the chart didn't really signal this huge dump, and it didn't happen because of that. So let me show you why this happened. First of all, almost $10 billion were liquidated in leverage trading, and wow, I mean, I think the exchanges are very happy right now. They are open champagne. But what happened? First of all, I think this is a smaller portion of the code. Some financial institutions will be taken to court to address their allegedly money laundering with crypto. Yes, it could happen, I don't know. I'm sure that they are trying to find some ways around to pay less taxes. Which I think the root of all this is the hash rate, a drop in the hash rate. And somebody who doesn't know, hash rate is an estimate of computing power dedicated to network by miners. Statistics on Glassnode shows that the hash rate's movement has a very big effect on the price, and yesterday the hash rate dumped by 50% from 200 billion to 100, and that is huge. The reason is that in Shenyang province, China, there is a 2 days power outage, so they don't have power, and this part of the world is a home to a large number of miners. They said that if this goes on for 3 weeks, then this is going to be very bad. But obviously people from there said that if this power outage doesn't come back to normal, then they are gonna move their hardware. Well, this was not calculated, of course, and this was not in the charts. But let's see how we can manage this damage. What we can do right now. On Elrond price, as you can see, we had a very big dump. It went from 210 to 120. Of course, it came back to 180, which is still not ideal, because we were in a very good path here with the cup and handle to break out to the 170 zone, and I'm very angry about this. But however, the volume shows here that more people bought the dip than those who sold, and that's very good. That's very good because it means that we don't have panic sellers. And I have to tell you that I am following a lot of altcoins, and so many panic sellers are selling also Ethereum, to be honest. So what I did today, I woke up, I saw my stop losses, and I bought some Chainlink, and I'm gonna buy some Bridge Mutual, because I was already thinking, what should I sell to buy Chainlink? And I didn't have to make the decision, because some altcoins to which I set stop loss, they got sold by themselves, so I don't have to make this decision. The market made this decision for me. Let's see where we are at the bull market, okay? Because I was trying to work out a couple of things to bring some charts and some evidence. What should we see, and if this is a flipping point. These two lines are the two bull markets. This is the bull market of 2016 and 17, and this is the 2020 and the 2021. And this line here, this yellow dotted line, is the 9th of March of both years, okay, 2020 and 2016. Why this is important? Well, this is important because this is where both of the bull markets started, or at one point, which is the same for both of them, but more or less where everything started. Believe it or not, on the April, which is the last candle right now here for us, 2017 also had a big dump. I don't know if there is any correlation or coincidence, but it's very funny that we have the same red candles on each bull market, more or less. So what we are expecting now? History says that we should expect a big jump, a big pull, but we are near the end of the month. So I am a bit not concerned, but let's say trying not to be too optimistic about that. Let me show you why. This is my own graph, okay? This is the prices of my profit for my portfolio, including the stocks I have, the ETFs, the crypto, altcoins, Bitcoin, Ethereum, small tokens, everything, okay? And this is the graph of my profit. And as you can see, I put in these red rectangles the last 10 days of each month. I'm having this only for 8 weeks now, from the middle of February. And yeah, between the 20 and the 30 or 26, 25, however you see it, there is a dump. Every end of the month is a dump, is a bearish trend, okay? So right now, having this big dump already on the 18th, I am not 100% sure what that means, but I would expect some sideways going up right now, some sideways until the new month is coming, the 1st or the 3rd maybe, or even earlier, and that is where I will expect a growth. So what I'm trying to say here is that if we don't recover right away before this huge dump, if we go a bit lower, I still wouldn't panic. I am really taking this graph as the bull market has not ended yet. Yes, we had a consolidation, we had this compensation, or however we want to call it. It happens in bull market. There were always some big jumps, ups and downs. As you can see, this is the same as we had in March, and if history says that this is what is gonna go, then in July or in June we can expect a big dump as well. So this is what I want to talk about today. What I want to ask you is don't panic, don't make decisions full of emotions. Think it through what you want, but ideal of course is don't sell when you are in minus, because then you can't recover your money. Then you will sell in minus, it will grow back, you will get emotional again that you are left behind, you buy it at a higher price, then it goes down back. You will get again emotional that you are losing even more money. So please calm down, don't panic, and make sane decisions, not full of emotions. Thank you very much for watching. I hope that tomorrow I will be able to bring you better news. I don't think that this is the end of the world yet. So yeah, let's see what happens next. Take care.